Good morning, students. Today, our topic is measuring angles with a protractor. In the previous lesson, the topic was types of angle, in which we discussed the five types of angle. First one is acute angle, next is right angle, third one is obtuse angle, straight angle, and reflex angle. अब acute angle कौन सा है? An angle which is smaller than 90 degree is called acute angle. An angle which is of 90 degree is called straight angle. An angle which is greater than of 90 degree is called obtuse angle. An angle which is exactly of 180 degree is called straight angle. An angle greater than 180 degree is called the reflex angle. We learned in the previous lesson these five types of angle. Today our topic is measuring angle with the protractor. एंगल्स आर measured यूजिंग अ protractor. एंगल्स को protractor की हेल्प से measure किया जाता है. You can see this is a protractor. There are two scales in the protractor. This scale is called inner scale and this scale is called the outer scale. This is the center of the protractor and this is the baseline. So now open your book, page number 80. measure these angles with the help of protractor. हमने इन एंगल्स को प्रोट्रैक्टर की हेल्प से measure करना है. फर्स्ट एंगल्स को first we see first angle is of 90 degree, so right here this angle is of 90 degree. Second angle is of 60 degree. The third angle is of by using the inner scale you can see this angle is of 90 degree. 90 by 100 110 and this line is between 120 and 110 यानी कि 110 और 120 के दरमियान जो है वो 115 का एंगल है. सो वो राइट हियर 115 डिग्री. नेक्स्ट एंगल is of 25 degree. You can see this angle is between 20 and 30 degree, that is the 25 degree. Next angle is of 70 degree. अब इसमें रेड लाइन जो है उससे आपने देखना है ये एंगल किस डिग्री का है. दिस एंगल इज ऑफ 70 डिग्री. रिमेनिंग भी आपने प्रोट्रैक्टर की हेल्प से इनको मेजर करना है. नाउ ओपन the next page 81. Question number 1. Draw the angles given below in your exercise book and name them. Angles को draw करना है. First angle is of 32 degree. By using protractor we draw the angle of 32 degree. प्रोट्रैक्टर की हेल्प से सबसे पहले हमने draw straight line of any length. Page number 81. Question number 1. Draw angles given below. Draw the angles given below. First angle is of 32 degree. Use a scale to draw the angle of 32 degree. सबसे पहले आपने स्केल की मदद से किसी भी लेंथ draw the line of any length. On the line draw and draw the angle of 32, 0, 10, 20, 30, 31 and 32 degree. Join this dot with the end point of the line. This angle is of 32 degree. Write the name of ray A, B, O. Next angle is of 68 degree. Draw a straight line of any length. Place the protractor on the line draw. Exactly in the line with the 0. हमें 68 का एंगल ड्रॉ करना है, तो इनर स्केल को यूज़ करते हुए हम 68 का एंगल ड्रॉ करेंगे. That this is a 60, 65, 66, 67 and 68. Mark the dot and now join this dot with the end point of the line. This angle is of 68 degree. Name the ray of A. This vertex is B and this ray is the C. Next angle is of 110 degree. Draw a straight line of any length. Place a protractor on the line. यूज़ द इनर स्केल. इनर स्केल को यूज़ करते हुए आप आउटर स्केल भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, लेकिन मैं इनर स्केल को यूज़ करते हुए 110 का एंगल ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ. 90, 100, 110. Mark a dot here. Join this dot with the end point of the line. This angle is of 110 degree. Name the ray of E, F and G. Next angle is of 100 degree. Now we draw angle of 100 degree. Draw the line of any length. Place a protractor on this dot. $90 degree by using the inner scale. हम inner scale को यूज़ करते हुए देखेंगे कि 100 कहाँ पे है. 100 is here. Mark a dot and join the point with the end of line. So this angle is of 100. Name the ray A, vertex B and C. So remaining आपने इसी तरह से एंगल्स को ड्रॉ करना है. Homework is do question 1, page number 8, chapter number 11.